Hey guys, how are you doing? There's a railroad track that goes, Canadian Pacific that goes over 94. I'm here to do a little celebration of life. I'm gonna put that one on here and put it over here. There was someone stole a two-wheeler. Let's put the shoestring right here, shall we? The goat. Yep, it's Nichols. Here we are. Beautiful day here. Canadian Pacific line. It goes all the way that way. It ends. There's a one at the end there. It'd be kind of cool to go to, but Canadian Pacific kind of runs it down here. And the one that ends it down there, I've done videos before. It's all grown bridges, ends, dead ends. So this kind of snakes down. So anyway, so here we are. The man drowned or whatever in a lake out there in the great state of Tennessee. Sad, but I gotta tell you something. I see a lot of people that are upset, and I get it. They want it now. They have a GoFundMe, right? I talked about my other channel. A lot of things you can do in your community. I mean, someone cleaned up over there on that side. It was just a pigsty over there. So I could come here and clean this place up. Just put a little plaque down for them down there. Keep it local. I get you like the guy, but I just really, not just him or anybody, they constantly give money to GoFundMes. I mean, if I was his brother, or his mom or dad, or sister, life insurance policy, I have one on myself, my wife, a couple. But if you want to remember the guy, come up here and pick up some garbage in your neighborhood. I picked up some garbage on his behalf. That's how you celebrate the guy. I'm not trying to be mean, but it's too bad that people have to do that GoFundMe for someone buried. I said Wonder Hussy on my last video, my other channel. She raised money, 40 or 45 grand for some guy she had met when she moved to the desert, some guy in his 70s, for an F-250, like 45 grand, something like that, and he disappeared. She's raising money for Baghdad Cafe, Route 56. And I get it. They got their 20, now they want more. But if you remember this guy, go out, pick up some garbage. Go help out a no-kill shelter. Foster something. I get it. He was a hobo. My dad worked for a railroad. Before, we used to go feed him all the time. And I'm not trying to belittle, but people love to crawl over dead bodies and raise money. I understand. You know, I get it. He was beloved here, but you can keep it local, raise money, and like I said, go pick up garbage in your neighborhood. Go beautify something on his behalf. You see all this stuff, all this hard work here. This doesn't get worked very much, but on the other side there was someone stole a two-wheeler, gutted it. It was out here when I was out here rail fanning one of this last time. But you can tell I could pick up garbage here. All these spray cans. I don't live out here. It's in St. Paul. It's a beautiful Saturday. I don't know if I said Friday or not, but it's a beautiful Saturday. Great state of Minnesota. Yeah, it's Canadian Pacific line. It goes all the way to the end, but that one railroad bridge right before the mighty Mo, it dead ends, and it's all overgrown grass. They mainly use this for a switchyard behind me. Come up here and beautify. Remember this man. Marky Mark, as I call him, by doing something in your neighborhood. Keep it local. I just see a lot of people do take advantage of bad things happen in every city, whatever, and this is, I want to call it community like-minded people. Distant Signals did a really good video about a get-together in his facility out there in Florida. I'll tell you what he does. When you show me a train, I can, again, put up a video of George Thorogood just singing, no volume, but what is he singing? tell me what the train is. The distance signal's so good at. Other people, they explain where the train's going. Just showing me a train is easy and weak. I always tell people where I'm at when I'm walking around. Something pretend I'm in another state, which I'm not. People are getting pissed because YouTube is changing because they're pushing out smaller channels, which is a good thing. You know, getting people exposed to other people's web things. And you build a bridge, get over it. Other people will feel the need. My question is, obviously he's getting more views to his channel. There should be plenty of money in his bank account to pay for his funeral expenses. Should be, and I'm trespassing. I get it. I know when to get off. I've rode rails before when I was 16 down to Cedar Lake Yard. But I guess when you glamorize that behavior, I guess Alaska rest a few times. But like I said, you can come out here, if you lived out here, and every week on his behalf, pick this place up. I get you're upset, but keep it local in your community. Remember them by plant a tree in your backyard. I planted trees for my father, my mom, my brother. Even though I don't like my sister, I did on their behalf. You can do. I did see some grown men crying on videos. There's no crying on YouTube. Save your tears for something else. I get it. You know, my question was, was he maybe someone gave him some drugs or something for fun? I don't know. And hot load and drown, or did he kill himself? Did someone kill him? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I hope not. And then you got to try to find, could he be, it's too bad. You don't want to have somebody roaming around Tennessee killing people. I don't know. Did he have a grudge against the guy? He was a harmless hobo that liked to ride the rails. I get it. It's illegal. Can't glamorize that kind of behavior, but it is what it is. But I hope the family can find closure. I know his dad lives in Alaska, mom in Texas, but it frustrates me when people do GoFundMes. I see it all the time. Some lady who her boyfriend killed three officers in Burnsville did a GoFundMe for her kids. I don't think so. The officers were buried, and now she's asking for money because she was, with someone's unfortunate hubby, right, boyfriend. So you got stuff over here, garbage, got shoe. So I hope there's a closure. I hope they find out what happened. But over here, as you can kind of see, me get over here. Some people go like over here. A lot of garbage down in here. People go underneath there. You see, as long as we didn't pick all this garbage up, do something on his behalf. Wine bottles. But yeah, you can be bummed out, but it's the next outrage on YouTube. And I hate to say, like I said, till the day of 25, people only leave YouTube when they die. That's it. Unless YouTuber I got to compete against. I'm not saying I have a great channel, but I heard some guy complaining this morning. He's a venture guy that's changing, and it's like, and he thinks he was going to try to make money on YouTube. Good luck with all that. I worked this morning. I work Monday through Friday by choice, and making money on YouTube is long gone. I know a lot of people on here like to do rail fanning. I get it, but like I've said, any rail fanners, tell me what the train is, the engine, where it's been, where it's going. Well, just show me trains. I can go down to the way on the other side of St. Paul off of 61. Canadian Pacific has a big yard. I can watch them go up and down. Shakopee has a big one, but you can tell, right here. Got a needle right over here. You can see right there. Yeah, there was a moped up here that was stripped apart. Someone finally took it away. A lot of work here. But I figured, what the hell, let's do a video and have this guy and wish him Godspeed. And I hope somebody didn't take him out. Then you got a serial killer out there in the great state of Tennessee, right? But I guess they're gonna have a celebration of life down there. This is my little celebration of his life. You know, I saw a couple of his videos. You know, like a nice man, he did glorify riding the rails, which is illegal. I mean, some people don't give to rip when they get up in Alaska. I guess he did, but you get killed. Like I said, a friend of mine rode the rails, and he got crushed. But anyways, guys, all right, Shoestring, you be good, Mr. Okay, up there, and that's hopefully you went. But go help on your community, keep it local, give to a charity in your community. There's no reason they should be asking for any kind of money to bury the guy. But anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Godspeed, young man, Godspeed.